नमस्कार। आज हम माउंटेन्स ऑफ लाइफ फेस्टिवल के समापन पर खड़े हैं, या कह सकते हैं हम बैठे हुए हैं। इन 2 हफ्तों में हमने पर्वतों की कहानियों को जीवंत होते हुए देखा। हर एक तस्वीर, हर एक कलाकृति और हर संवाद से हमने ये सीखा कि हमारे पर्वत केवल भूगोल नहीं है, बल्कि हमारी प्राकृतिक और सांस्कृतिक धरोहर का एक अभिन्न हिस्सा है। माउंटेन्स ऑफ लाइफ केवल एक महोत्सव नहीं है, ये उन अनगिनत छात्राओं की ऊर्जा और उत्साह का प्रतीक है जो हमारे कैंपस में आए और हमारे साथ जुड़े और पर्वतों के बारे में जानने का प्रयास किया। ये उन समर्पित साथियों की मेहनत का नतीजा है जो देश के कोने कोने में जाकर जिन्होंने पर्वतों की कहानियों को संजोया और उनको हम तक पहुंचाया। लेकिन अब ये पहल यहाँ रुकेगी नहीं, ये देश के अन्य प्रांतों और हिस्सों में जाएगी। भोपाल में दिसंबर में, शिवमोगा में जनवरी में और कई अन्य जगहों पर। ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि इस अभियान को हम आगे लेके जाएं। हमारे पर्वत हमें प्रकृति से प्रेम करना, संतुलन बनाना और सह अस्तित्व का महत्व सिखाते हैं।
Me and Anshul Sondi, both of us are here from Dehradun to conduct classes and workshops with the children. So on this visit, our focus of workshops has been to introduce the children to the world, the magnificent world of butterflies and moths. And we've been using resource material that we've created, which is a nice booklet for children, which is helping them to understand on how they can rear butterflies and moths at home. And we've done a number of workshops with children where we've introduced them to the concept of the world of butterflies. We've told them about butterflies and moths, the differences, the ecological importance, how they can have fun with these creatures by rearing them and following their early cycles to adulthood, as well as the importance of the linkages to the host plants and so on and so forth. I think the children had a great time. We also collected a lot of caterpillars from the campus, which we did a show and tell with the children, and I think they enjoyed that the most because most of them had not seen eggs and caterpillars and pupas. So it was a good time, and I think the workshops went well and the kids enjoyed themselves.
I got to visit the Andaman Islands as part of Mountains of Life, and that was the journey of a lifetime for me. So the Andaman Islands, many people don't know themselves, are actually mountains underwater. And I went around documenting the geology, the biodiversity, various different communities living there, their indigenous knowledge and their sustainable practices. So one of the glimpses you can see here is the mud volcanoes, which are very unique geological features. They are found in only 2 places in India, one of which is in the Andamans. Unlike your regular lava volcanoes, they have a flow of cold mud and water flowing out. And this was a really, really inspiring and learning trip for me. I think the students will love to see photographs and information from the Andamans because people rarely get to know about it outside of the occasional sentence in a textbook or whatever you might read in newspapers. So this is a chance for students to really get to know this rather unknown and this unique part of India which is full of surprises for them.
तो आइए माउंटेन्स ऑफ लाइफ फेस्टिवल से प्रेरित होकर हम ये प्रण लें कि हमारी पर्वतों और प्रकृति की रक्षा करेंगे। ये एक पहल है, एक यात्रा है जो हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ियों के जीवन को सुंदर और सुरक्षित बनाएगी।